They feel inadequate around you. This individual tried to stuff down their emotions in regards to you. Tried to act as if their feelings do not exist. They never felt that they would ever encounter a being like yourself. And to confront their feelings for you would make them realize that they will have to do the work to reach to your energetic level, because they feel like you're too good for them, and they question why you are even interested in them. And so they may have pushed you away and repressed their emotions, which made you feel as if you were insignificant, you were inadequate, when it was their feelings projected onto you. They see you as powerful, dynamic, strong, magnetic, beautiful, handsome. And what they want more than anything is to give in to their emotions, but something's holding them back. For some of you, this individual feels as if you have the heart of someone, or they feel like you can get what you want in regards to love, who you want in regards to love. They just feel as if you have it all: charisma, personality, looks, charm, grace. And they feel like it's not fair. They feel like every time you are around, they get triggered. So there's different groups of you here. For some of you, it's a love interest. For others of you, it's someone that feels triggered by you, fearing that you're going to gain opportunities and blessings, or someone. This individual feels as if connecting with you has reawakened something within themselves that they were not ready to confront. So if it is a love situation, then this individual feels like you have made them connect to parts of themselves that they felt were non-existent in some cases. You know, you have triggered certain emotions that were dormant. You have made them confront certain thoughts, fears. You have been the catalyst of change, or you are becoming the catalyst of change. This individual is transforming because of their connection with you. This could be a person that doesn't believe in showing emotions or expressing emotions, but through their connection with you, through you being your true authentic self, maybe you've expressed emotions, maybe you're just living your life in a very authentic way, and it's making this individual look at their patterns and look at themselves. There's a lot of admiration here, but there's fear also. What would it mean for me to meet you halfway? I'm going to have to be authentic. I'm going to have to face certain parts of myself that I repressed. And for this individual, it's safer to disregard their emotions, disregard yourself, push these emotions away, act as if they don't exist. Because to confront these emotions will be too painful. It will be a lot of work to do the work. But regardless of the fact, their emotions are transforming. They are transforming. They have shed their skin, or they are shedding their skin of how they used to be. They're evolving. And it's uncomfortable for this individual. For others of you, if it's not a love situation, I feel like you are triggering this individual's mother wounds, and it's not your fault. you are triggering this person to become better. You know, maybe this individual doesn't get on with their mother. Maybe they have a wound with the feminine and they felt like they have to be masculine. They have to be in their masculine energy. They have to close down their heart chakra. They have to be ruthless in their pursuit of what they want. And connecting with you or being around someone like you that embodies a different type of energy to what they embody, it threatens them. Because there's an admiration for you, but there's a resentment for you also. Because in their view, they've worked so hard to build up this image of being stoic and powerful and getting what they want. And with you, they see that you gain blessings by radiating love, by being a nice person, by treating people the way you want to be treated. You know, this person's very threatened by your light. Maybe at a time they were gaining a lot of attention and admiration, and they had a lot of popularity, but they see that you also possess certain qualities that generates a lot of attraction from others. They're seeing that you're very popular. They're not thinking that you both can shine together. They feel as if you being around dims their light. They see that you have natural charisma. There's an electric energy that you exude and that people gravitate towards. This person could be very forceful in regards to gaining what they want. And with you, they see and feel as if, I don't know if this person connects with their feelings, but we'll go with that. They see and feel as if you gain opportunities and blessings in some cases effortlessly. With them, it's always some sort of strategy behind how they're going to get something, how they're going to appear. It's not authentic, it's inauthentic. And through their connection with you or being around you, you have made this person face their shadow. You know, we all have shadow and light sides, but you made them face the falsity that they have presented to the world, even to themselves. And they just feel inadequate around you. They feel less than. They feel like your energy is more expensive in a way. And this person could have more than you in the 3D, but they feel less than whenever they are around you. They are feeling to themselves that it doesn't matter what they have in the 3D, people will still gravitate towards you. For some of you, I feel like if this is a love interest, this person feels like if they were to be in a relationship with you, people would ask you, why are you with them? Because they feel as if you are a cut above the rest, is what I'm hearing. You can get anyone you want. Why do you want them? And it's almost as if they feel like they have to do you a favor and remove themselves. They put you on a pedestal. They feel like they are lacking in finances. They feel like they will not be able to take care of you. They feel like you can take care of yourself. They feel as if, what is it about you? What is it about them that you want? They can't offer you anything. Why do you want to connect with someone like them? They do want to invest in you, but at the same time, they feel like they may not have enough. For others of you, if it's someone else, it could be someone at work for some of you. It could be someone from a group, club or organization, an ex-friend, or a friend or a family member. This individual feels like you just have more, more popularity. And so you may find that this individual may not want to be around you. They may not want to hang out with you, go out with you, Because again, that fear comes up and they feel bad for feeling this way. But for some of you, they don't even confront the feeling that they have or feeling bad, because they're not admitting to themselves that they feel inadequate around you. So they'll make up excuses and lie to themselves as to why they will seize opportunities, or why they have seized opportunities, or why they are refusing to be around you. They see you in a very diplomatic, charming, and eloquent way, and they compare themselves to you. They feel like you have looks, you have charm, you have natural grace that they feel like they lack. You know, it didn't become apparent until they were around you. And they want to be seen in the same light, but they feel like other people don't see them in the same light. So there's an inner conflict that they have within themselves. They got something, they got a spark, but they feel like whenever you are around, this spark dimmers. They don't shine as bright. And so they don't want to be around you. For some of you, they feel like they have to beat you at all cost. You know, this could be a past life rivalry for some of you. For others of you, I feel like it could be a family member. You know, it could be a sibling in a race to get married before you, have children before you. You know. And this person, I feel, may choose to isolate themselves from you, whether it's a love interest or not. For some of you, you may find that this person purposely ignores you, acts as if you do not exist, because it's just too much to be around you. You embody everything that they felt that they were. You embody everything that they wish they could be. They don't even want to get to know you because the jealousy is too real, is what I'm picking up. And they know that you are a great person. They know that you are, you know, highly intelligent, someone that they could actually get on with, but they can't get out of their own ego. For others of you, this person will act as if they want to be single, though what they really want to do is run to you. Hashtag Whitney Houston. What Spirit is saying in regards to you, don't take this personal. Keep focused on moving forward towards your goals. You can't teach others how to treat you. You can only treat yourself the way that you want to be treated. Your life can't stop because someone else can't see your value. You know, you may find that this person may want to open up another cycle with you if it is a love interest, and that's fine. But Spirit won't allow this to persist unless this person has done the healing work, because what you may have found in the past, that because this person was unhealed or they weren't looking at their wounding, they created conflict and pain in your life. They may have created scenarios where there was third party dynamics trying to triangulate you with other people to make you feel inadequate. That was their way of not dealing with how they were feeling within, you know, and this caused you a lot of pain. This may have caused you a lot of pain, and this pain was actually their pain, because they felt like they needed to hurt you. They needed to make you feel how they were feeling, and they felt like you would possibly do something like this to them. So let me do it to you first. But this person's awakening, and they're gaining a lot of truths and knowledge, and they're feeling uncomfortable with these truths, and they're feeling saddened about the way they treated you, about the way they pushed you away. For others of you, this individual is very focused and fixated on you, what you're going to do next, who you're going to do it with, where you're going to go, etc. You know, they may want to come around you and open up a new cycle, but it's only going to lead to pain, because they're not ready to deal with their issues. And I'm hearing that their issues have nothing to do with you. It could be something that stems from childhood that they project onto you, a wounding that they're not looking at. And Spirit is saying not to get wrapped up in it being your fault and you trying to make things better in this situation. Because I'm not saying we're always right. We never do anything wrong. But in this situation, staying in this dynamic with this person will just bring pain to yourself, or staying around this individual, because their real issues are within. You know, there's a heavy fixation on you. There's a heavy, you know, needing to be around you just to humble you, just to make you feel inadequate the way that they feel. So Spirit's advice to you, my darling, is to shine some more. Don't allow other people's feelings of inadequacy rub off on you. And this is one of the reasons why they are fixated on you, because of your confidence, because of your unapologetic ways, because of your shine. And if you are around these individuals and they're in this energy and they're fixated on you, it's going to dim your shine. So shine, my darling, shine some more. Shine and glow wherever you go, and remove yourself from anyone that doesn't want the best for you.